Welcome. If you want to add a personal touch to every email you send from your phone, setting up a mobile signature in the Gmail app is the way to go. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add or update your mobile signature, so your emails always look professional, even when you're on the go. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to set up your signature. Next, look for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Now, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to see a list of all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. From here, select the email account where you want to add your signature. Just tap on the account name to open its settings. Once you're in your account settings, look for the option labeled Mobile Signature. Tap on Mobile Signature, and a new window will pop up where you can enter your custom signature. Type in the signature you want to appear at the end of your emails. This could be your name, job title, contact information, or even a favorite quote. Whatever suits your style and needs. After you've entered your signature, don't forget to tap Save. This step is important because it makes sure your changes are applied. That's it. Now every email you send from the Gmail app will automatically include your new mobile signature at the bottom. This is a great way to keep your emails looking polished and consistent, no matter where you are. If you ever want to change or remove your signature, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching.